Hello there. If you are in need of an unofficial transcript, here is how to request one. First, log into your Classic Student Center through Main Street. You will find this drop-down menu labeled Other Academic. For unofficial transcripts, you will select Transcript, View Unofficial. On this page, you will be able to select your academic institution, and this will auto-populate the report type. Click on View Report. This request may take a few seconds to process. You will now be brought to the previous request page. The report listed at the top will be the one that you just requested. If you had submitted unofficial transcript requests in the past, they will also be listed here. To review your most recent request, click on View Report. This will open up an unofficial transcript in a new tab or window. Please download or print this page. You have now obtained an unofficial transcript. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of Student Records.